Today, I will show you 5 common mistakes that can slow down your computer, cause problems, or even make your Windows less secure. Some of these are very common and many people don't know about them. So, let's get started. Mistake number 1. Downloading programs from the wrong websites. Imagine this. You need a program, so you search for it on Google. You click on first link, download the file and install it. Everything looks fine. Suddenly you see pop-ups, your browser has a new homepage, and your PC feels slower. What happened? This is how viruses and unwanted programs get into your computer. Some websites add extra software, ads, or even malware to their downloads. How to avoid this? You can avoid this by always downloading programs from the official websites or Microsoft Store. Be careful during installation, always choose custom or advanced and uncheck extra programs you don't need. A little caution can save you big problems later. Mistake number 2. Ignoring Windows updates. We've all done it. A Windows update notification pops up and we click Remind Me Later. But here's the problem. Windows updates are not just about new features. They also fix security problems and keep your PC safe. If you don't update your system, hackers and viruses can take advantage of old security weaknesses. Cybercriminals look for computers that don't have the latest updates. To stay safe, keep automatic updates turned on, restart your PC regularly, so your system always gets the latest security fixes. A simple update can protect your PC from bigger risk. Mistake number 3. Letting too many programs run at startup. Did you know how many apps start automatically when you turn on your computer? Even if you never use them, they run in the background and slow down your system. To fix this, open Task Manager, go to Startup tab and disable programs you don't need. Check Windows privacy settings and turn off tracking features you don't want. Making these small changes can make your computer faster and more private. Mistake number 4. Letting your C drive get too full. Have you noticed that your PC gets slower? One common reason is a full C drive. Windows needs space to store temporary files and system updates. If your C drive is too full, your computer will start slowly, take longer to open programs, and freeze or even crash more often. To prevent this, clean up old files. Delete files you don't need and uninstall programs you don't use. Move big files, like videos, to an external drive or cloud storage. And also, try to keep at least 10 to 20% of your storage free for the best performance. Mistake number 5. Keeping your laptop plugged in all the time. If you use a laptop, this is important. Keeping your laptop plugged in all the time can damage your battery over time. To keep your battery healthy, let it drain below 20% before charging. If you use your laptop mostly at desk, use battery power more often. Taking care of your battery can help it last much longer. So these were 5 common mistakes that can slow down or even damage your PC. Which mistake have you made the most? Let me know in the comments. For me, it's definitely number 5. My laptop is always connected to the charger, so I must improve in this. So, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.